Hello friends, so over the before lecture we are already started the genetic engineering in this the unit third. Okay, so we are before lecture we are discussing the PCR, that is a important method for the various type of the disease diagnosis, that is a polymerase chain reaction. So now lecture we are discussing the site direct mutagenesis and the site direct mutagenesis by the PCRs. Okay, site direct mutagenesis. Okay, according to the meaning, it is simplified that site means at a particular specific site to this the directly mutagenesis. We know the term of the mutation, the suddenly change on that of the particular site of that of the molecule. Okay, it is known as a mutation. So in this the particular site of that of the molecule we are changing. Okay, so it is known as a site direct mutagenesis. Okay, so firstly the conventional way the obtaining the mutant of the any organism is to express of the treat to cell in a culture of the organism with the physical and the chemical mutagenic agents. So we are know about that for the any type of the mutation, जर एखादा म्युटेशन घडवून आणायचं असेल तर वी आर युजिंग द physical and chemical mutagenic agents. So in this the physicals we are know that the different type of the radiations, okay, heat treatments, okay, they are using for to the physical treat to that of the particular cell. Okay, the chemicals, the various type of the chemicals like the polyethylene glycol, sodium dodecyl sulfate, SDS, okay, these are the using for to the chemically mutating of that of the particular cells. Okay, here is a normal techniques are involved for to the mutations. Okay, but these techniques, these are the some disadvantages. Okay, for जर आपण एखादा फिजिकल किंवा केमिकल किंवा एखादा नॅचरल स्पॉन्टेनियस म्युटेशन घडवून आणलेला आहे किंवा आलेला आहे तर त्याच्यात काय आहे, त्याच्यात unsequence, unspecify and do not require that of the mutation can be occur. Suppose in this the physical and the chemical treatment to that of the particular molecule, so sometimes they are not any effective because of they can be causing the mutation at the another site, not at the target site. So these are the disadvantages of this the physical and the chemical mutation. So for to the relativeness, for they are using the nowadays the site direct mutagenesis. This is the techniques that is involved for the particular target site to be mutant. Okay, so it is known as a site direct mutagenesis. कळालं का? आपण physical and the chemical method कशामुळे आपण त्याला चेंजेस केलेला आहे, बिकॉज ऑफ इट इज अ नॉन स्पेसिफिक साइट टार्गेट साइट टू बी म्यूटेड और इट इज अ नॉट acquired for to your engineering purposes. Okay, so then we are applying the site direct mutagenesis. So site direct mutagenesis, there are the different type of the site direct mutagenesis techniques. Okay, so these techniques are oligonucleotide direct mutagenesis, site direct